Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Over 50 Model, the home of timeless beauty and inspiration. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the stunning Lucy May, a true inspiration in the world of fashion and one of today's top over 50 models. With over 236,000 followers on her Instagram page at LucyMay009. Lucy has established herself as a prominent Instagram influencer and fashion content creator. Lucy celebrates ageless beauty with her impeccable sense of timeless fashion and is a proud advocate for body positivity. Lucy embodies the essence of ageless beauty, proving that natural older women can shine just as bright in the world of style and fashion. Through her work, Lucy inspires women around the globe to embrace their individuality and showcases how over 50 style is anything but boring. She's not just a model, she's a voice for the over 50 lifestyle, proving that every stage of life is a runway for creativity and self-expression. Her content radiates positivity, encouraging women to embrace over 50 style and live life to the fullest. Lucy May highlights body positivity, showcasing how women over 50 can embrace their unique beauty with elegance and confidence. Through her incredible journey, Lucy has become a role model for the over 50 lifestyle, sharing timeless fashion tips and celebrating the art of staying true to oneself. Follow Lucy for chic and elegant over 50 style looks, empowering messages about self-love and body positivity, insights into the beauty of being a mature woman. Join us in celebrating Lucy May at Over 50 Model. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories about incredible women redefining what it means to be stylish at any age. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, it's Lisa here.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Over 50 Model. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the fabulous Lisa J.
I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the fall.
Never stop, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say,
An extraordinary mature fashion model, redefining style and beauty for women over 50.
I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Lisa J is the epitome of elegance and timeless beauty. As a top over 50 model, she inspires women everywhere with her sophisticated fashion sense and passion for embracing life with grace and confidence. Her unique take on over 50 style and love for stunning outfits has made her a standout as an Instagram influencer and fashion content creator.
Yeah, man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend.
Lisa's content is a masterclass in how aging beautifully is an art, and she's sharing it with the world.
A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time.
Her Instagram page, at Lisa on the Weekend, already boasts an impressive 496,000 followers who adore her style tips, chic fashion looks, and her message of celebrating every stage of life.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
Lisa J is proof that confidence and beauty only grow with time.
Stop till I hear him say.
She's inspiring women to embrace their age, own their style, and live boldly. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories and inspirations from the world of mature models.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Feeling great, popping off, singing straight. Never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day.
Hope you're having a good evening.
I get lost
Join me
in
for a
what
glass
to
of wine.
say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Over 50 Model. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to someone who perfectly embodies timeless style and grace, Alexa. Alexa is a Polish mature fashion model who is redefining elegance with her chic and confident approach to life. At 48, she may not be over 50 yet, but her style speaks to the heart of mature women everywhere, proving that age is just a number when it comes to fashion and self-expression. Her Instagram page, @Stylova76, has captured the attention of over 277,000 followers, becoming a go-to destination for anyone looking for sophisticated and inspiring fashion ideas. Alexa's wardrobe is a treasure trove of classic looks, trendy ensembles, and unique combinations that effortlessly balance modernity with timeless appeal. What sets Alexa apart is her commitment to celebrating the beauty of natural, mature women. She doesn't just wear clothes. She tells a story through her outfits. Each post reflects her belief that fashion is not just about trends. It's about confidence, individuality, and embracing who you are at every stage of life. Whether it's an elegant evening dress, a smart casual look, or a bold statement piece, Alexa knows how to make every outfit shine. She encourages women around the globe to celebrate their own unique style and to never shy away from experimenting with their wardrobe. As a leading fashion content creator and influencer, Alexa proves that you don't need to follow the crowd to be stylish. Her page is filled with inspirational looks, thoughtful captions, and a genuine love for empowering women to feel beautiful at any age. If you're someone who believes that fashion only gets better with time, Alexa is the role model you've been looking for. She's living proof that elegance is ageless and that confidence truly is the best accessory. So, if you haven't already, make sure to check out her Instagram @Stylova76 for daily doses of fashion inspiration and lifestyle tips. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of mature fashion. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to Over 50 Model for more updates on fabulous women who are transforming the way we think about beauty, style, and aging. Until next time, stay confident, stay stylish, and remember, fashion is for everyone, no matter your age.
Hey, how are you?
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came
Hello,
to the
beautiful
game and I
people.
changed it to play.
Welcome
How I
to
like
Over 50
rearranged it to
Model.
my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping.
Today, we're excited to introduce you to the inspiring and fabulous Kit Kat.
Got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say.
A true trailblazer in the world of mature fashion.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless.
As a top over 50 model, Kit Kat has captured the hearts of her audience with her charm, elegance, and incredible sense of style. Her Instagram page, @FunLovinKitKat, boasts an impressive following of over 59.5K, making her a celebrated Instagram influencer and fashion content creator.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon.
Kit Kat's fashion choices embody timeless fashion that resonates with women embracing the over 50 lifestyle.
Through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day.
She effortlessly blends bold, modern looks with classic elegance, proving that ageless beauty is about confidence and embracing your individuality.
Withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never
A proud advocate for body positivity, Kit Kat inspires women to celebrate their unique beauty at every stage of life. As a natural older woman, she champions the idea that the over 50 style is not just about clothing, it's about embracing your authenticity and living life unapologetically. Through her social media presence, Kit Kat shares more than just fashion inspiration.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's
Her
no
posts
stopping this
reflect her
flame. 'Cause I
vibrant
came to the
personality
game
and her
I
dedication
changed it
to
play.
redefining
How I
beauty
like
standards for
rearranged
mature
it to
women.
my own domain.
She is a
Yeah, I
beacon
got
of
what it
empowerment,
takes. Made
reminding
lots
us
of
all that
mistakes,
age is
taking
just a
shots,
number.
skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad.
Thank you for
play,
watching
and I've got
today's
something to
feature on
say,
Over
yeah.
50 Model.
I work hard each and
If you're
every
inspired
day.
by Kit Kat's journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.
Goodbye.
I turn flaws. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Over 50 Model. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the incredible Michelle Williams.
Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad.
An inspiring American mature fashion model who is redefining beauty and elegance for women over 50.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things
At 52 years old, Michelle embodies the grace and confidence of a top over 50 model.
I won't stop till I hear him say.
Her Instagram page, @OnlyMichelleWilliams, has attracted an impressive following of over 152,000 followers, making her a leading Instagram influencer and fashion content creator in the world of mature fashion.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend.
Hey,
That's right. In the
what do you think about my housewife
Just the
outfit?
sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time. I
Michelle's
choose
posts
stacking dimes.
are a celebration of
Half the
housewife
time while I
outfits
move past
with a
the
modern
time.
twist, showcasing her unique take on chic, everyday fashion.
Lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
She effortlessly blends comfort and style, proving that timeless fashion can be practical, elegant, and inspiring for women embracing the over 50 lifestyle. As a proud natural older woman, Michelle champions the idea that the over 50 style is more than just clothing. It's a statement of confidence and individuality. Her wardrobe is a testament to ageless beauty, combining classic elegance with contemporary trends that resonate with women everywhere.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged.
Through her vibrant social media presence, Michelle shares more than just fashion inspiration. She offers a fresh perspective on life after 50, encouraging women to embrace their unique beauty and live unapologetically.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play.
Thank you for joining us today on Over 50 Model. If Michelle Williams' story has inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more features on incredible mature fashion models.